Over the past few years, economic substance regulations have become familiar topics for businesses in offshore markets. These regulations require companies to establish a substantial economic presence in the countries where they operate and generate income. Key requirements of ES regulation include: maintain a physical office, hire an adequate number of full-time employees, conduct core income-generating activities, and most importantly, submit an annual economic substance report to local authorities. Depending on the jurisdiction, business structure, activities, and other factors, you may need to submit various types of reports, along with supporting documents and financial information. This can be overwhelming for companies with operation in multiple offshore jurisdictions, as each may have its own reporting requirements and deadlines. Fortunately, with BBC Income Client Portal, this challenge is simplified. The portal automates much of the reporting process, setting out the specific reports and documents you need to submit. It also serves as a centralized platform to track compliance deadlines and requirements from multiple companies in different jurisdictions. Now, let's walk through the process of submitting your economic substance report using the client portal. In the main dashboard, locate the Compliance Event section, where you can view all upcoming compliance deadlines for your companies. Click the Start button next to the economic substance event to begin your order. Carefully review your order details before proceeding to payment. Please note that the listed price covers the submission for one compliance year. If you need to submit reports for multiple years, please adjust the quantity accordingly. Once your payment is completed, head to the order processing type to find the correct order ID. Click the Continue button to start the filing process. You will need to complete two steps for your submission. Step 1. Determine your compliance year. Select the year your company needs to comply with economic substance regulations from the drop-down list. The number of years available corresponds to the quantity of service you previously purchased. Click Next to move on. Step 2. Upload your reports and documents. Based on your situation and the compliance year, a list of required reports will be automatically generated and displayed in the document list section. Simply click on these reports to download, sign them with a wet signature, then scan and upload them on the Upload section. Please review the notification we provided to ensure you are aware of any additional supporting documents required for your company. After all reports and documents have been uploaded, click the Complete button to finalize the filing process. And there you have it, a straightforward way to submit your economic substance reports through the BBC Income Client Portal. In case you encounter any issues or have questions about the process, please don't hesitate to contact our support team for assistance.